We just hit up Hobby Lobby.
Hello guys.
All the Christmas stuff. I love the entryway. I love walking in here. We are done, actually. Look at this. Adorable. This little chair, also adorable. Like, I can't get over these trees. I love these. They're kind of like nostalgic, you know? Because they were popular like in the 80s.
We should buy one of these and put it in my room.
That would be very cute in your room.
But I prefer pink.
We came for paint pens. We did get a few Christmas things. Layla might have got a Christmas sweater.
Wait, what if we do a haul after when we get home?
We could do a haul. It's not that exciting though, really.
Well, it is kind of actually exciting for me.
The reason we went to Hobby Lobby is because we want to do some crafts today. I cut out the cutest Christmas countdowns. It's an ornament. So cute and fun for the kids. I was showing Winston and Layla and they were so excited to make one, and then I thought, should I just start an Etsy account? Like a DIY Etsy account. Like, no big deal. If people want to craft with us, they can. If they don't have to. But would that be so fun? I've been talking about this for years. I know it's annoying. I want to do it so badly. I just don't know how.
You kind of
but
make
I
me
feel like I can learn.
You kind of make me feel like you're pregnant because of that jacket.
Oh yeah, I did wear this my whole entire pregnancy. I really like it though. It's just from Amazon. It was very inexpensive and probably, I mean, definitely the thing that I wore the most during my pregnancy. But I like it. Whoa, what's happening here?
I got defense.
Is Finn awake?
Yeah. You want to do it?
Where's that baby? Where's that baby? Oh, there he is. Hi. I'm so happy. You watching the boys? Like, no, I'm not. I want to play. I want to play with these boys.
So we are going to be painting our things. I'm excited. Finn's cute little foot is right there. Another one maybe for Winston.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put up more, but the wood might be easier to paint. Oh.
Can I bring it down?
Here, no. No thanks. No thank you.
You made me fall.
Okay, I'm gonna show you these other ones that I have.
Okay.
I just got home from school and now we're going to begin the running around. Gage got a new truck. If you didn't see it, there's a vlog. It's an old truck. It's a 91 and it's been a problem. That's all it's been, is a problem. Casey loves these little Toyota trucks and every guy who has seen it has been like, I love that truck. I wish I would have had a truck like that. Casey had a truck similar to that one. It was like a little bigger, had a shell. He loved it so much, but before we started YouTube, he used it as like a truck to just drive to work. And it was interesting before we started YouTube because we decided to sell a lot of our like extra things. No idea that we were gonna be starting YouTube, but not too long after that, a few months, we started YouTube and it was nice because we didn't have any extra debt. Anyway, I think Casey has always regretted selling that truck. He just loved it so much. So, are you just stuck? Hold on, let's move. Stuck on the rug. Come on. Come on. All that to say, Casey was very excited about this truck. And it is in the shop right now getting fixed and hopefully they'll get it all figured out and it will be good. But I feel so bad for Gage because he did save up his money. He is making payments and he loves it so much and he just feels so like proud of himself and so happy to have a truck, and it just keeps like breaking down. Can we just talk about this phase that Finn's in? So fun. You're so fun to hang around. I love you and I love your personality, but he also doesn't want me to hold him. But he also doesn't want to be down. But he doesn't want to be on the floor. But he doesn't want to be in the walker. But he does not want me to hold him. I don't know what to do. So I feel like all day long it's like up and down and this and let's try that. And he just wants to do whatever he's not doing. Come on. Come on. Oh, so that leaves me to getting nothing done. I haven't gotten much done today. Yeah, like I'm just always like, what 7-year-old can do all the things that Layla can do? Look at this hair. It looks so beautiful. She did heatless curls last night. I feel like it's about time for a tutorial. So next time you do them, you just show us because you're doing so good. How old were you when you first started trying to do heatless curls? Pretty little.
6.
Were you 6 or 5?
5.
probably 5. And she tried over and over and over, and so many times they didn't work, and she just kept trying. And now look, professional.
2 years later.
You look so cute.
Thanks.
Good job. It also makes my life easier, so thank you for that.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I can do it for my Elections Day program.
Oh yes, Layla's so excited. When you get home, do your part for us, okay?
Okay, can I quickly tell you it?
Oh yeah, do it right now.
Each and every day, countless sacrifices are made by the brave men and women in our armed forces to protect the many freedoms that each of us enjoy. Today, we salute you.
Good job, baby. I'm so excited for your program. Okay, have a good day. Boy. Oh, watch out. The kids are off to school, and look who decided to join us. Good morning, sir. We're gonna make some eggs. You want some eggs? You want to try eggs again? Let's give them another go, shall we? You guys, good news, my rash, it's spreading to my chin. So, lucky. I just saw someone post something. I need to look it up. I can't remember. Their child has it. What is going on with this also? Like, why does everyone have it? She started putting something on it, and I'm gonna order that, and I'm gonna start putting it on because it's not a steroid, it's something more natural. Also, she's gonna be posting more recommendations, so I am currently stalking her to see what she's putting on her child's face. Because then I feel like it's okay to put on mine while I'm breastfeeding him. You know, we're gonna play it safe. Finn has a hold of my hair at all times. So not only am I losing hair because of postpartum, you know, it just happens, he's also ripping the rest of it out. He thinks it's pretty funny. I see you laughing. I see you laughing while you're pulling my hair. Okay, I'm gonna make some eggs. Finn is napping. He naps for 2 seconds. So I'm gonna try to hurry and power clean. I need to clean up here. I'm really trying to keep the space clean because it, you know, grounds me, brings me back to center. I'm just kidding, but I do like when it's clean up here because it's my space. I feel like it gets the creative juices flowing, you know? When it's cluttered, I still thrive in clutter. I don't know why, it's fine. It's a goal of mine. I've been working on these cute little Christmas countdowns. This is one that I started, but I don't like the black. How adorable. Look at Layla's though. Layla is queen of creativity. Like, adorable. I actually copied her Christmas because it was just so cute. These are so cute. I think I mentioned that I would love to list these like on Etsy as a DIY. I can cut them out. I can send them to you. You can make them with your kids because it's a really fun way to count down to Christmas. And I love watching my kids craft. I love spending time with them while crafting and also watching them. They just want to have fun and enjoy it. Where I'm like, oh my gosh, every little detail. She's just like, look at what I'm doing, Mom. So proud. And there's just something about that, like letting them do what they want, be creative. It just gives them this confidence. They don't second guess themselves. And I think it's just so inspiring and beautiful, and I love it. I want to be more like them. And anyway, I just thought it would be a fun craft to do. So let me know, like, truly, would you like that? I was just looking into how to start an Etsy account because I don't know, but I can figure it out and I can get those to you. So anyway, I'm gonna power clean and also start editing. And I'm sure that Finn will wake up in 2 minutes. It's fine. He sleeps great at night. You can't have both, right? I don't know, maybe you can, but I'll take the nighttime for sure. What's up, Layla?
Okay, so I want to tell you guys my part. There's this new thing that I have that my teachers told me to do.
Okay.
So yeah, hold up. Let me quickly get my toothbrush.
I'm so tired today. Oh, we're gonna get situated. Here we go. We're ready for the show.
Each and every day, countless sacrifices are made by the brave men and women in our offices to protect the many freedoms that each of us enjoy. Today we salute you.
I like the power.
Like each, like
yes, I
each
love
and
it.
every day, countless, like
yes, like listen. This is important.
yeah.
Did you love it, Finn? Did you feel that power? I felt that power. What's happening right now? What is happening? Look at this bedhead. Look at this little fuzzy hair. That's about the greatest thing I've ever seen. Finn. This is a great example of how my day has been. Hi, Braylee.
Oh, hey.
She's making a dinner for Maddox, and so I'm helping her. I'm helping guide her. Casey has also been helping because he's the pro at cooking
Mom's helping
steak.
with the condiments and the dessert. Dad's helping with the steaks.
Yeah. How was your day?
It was so good.
You can use a knife.
Oh my gosh.
Just don't stab yourself, you know?
That is like 100,000,000% easier.
Well, duh. No. No. All right. Have fun with your dinner date. Good job.
Thanks. Way to be a go-getter.
Everyone's in bed and it's only 10 o'clock. Very impressive for around here, including Finn. So I'm gonna also head to bed and hopefully I'll be able to fall asleep. There's nothing worse than laying down when your baby's asleep and just laying there and not being able to fall asleep. That happens to me all the time. But I'm still gonna try. At least I'll get some rest, you know? I just feel like I'm running on very little sleep for the past couple of weeks. So I'm gonna go lay down. This candle warmer is just so cute. I haven't used it for a while. I got them last year around Christmas time because they're just so pretty. So you can see that you can change the settings. They work so well. There's like something cozy about lighting a candle, but I just feel like the scent of a candle is just so much better when it's under warmer. And that was pretty inexpensive, just from Amazon. I'll link that one. I just think it's so pretty. I got a couple others for Christmas gifts last year that are also really cute, so I'll link those also. I don't know about you, but I'm already like racking my brain trying to think of what to get everyone. I'm really just doing a smaller Christmas this year. I'm getting a few thoughtful gifts and just giving them with love. Every year I feel like Christmas gets bigger and bigger with the presents and the gifts, and I just want the feeling of Christmas to be more present, you know, that time together as a family and just giving really special, thoughtful gifts rather than just things. And so I really want to get back to that this year. Just this made me think of you, and not that I don't do that, but I just don't want it to be so many things. So that's my focus this year, and it feels good. 5 years ago, I said I'm not buying any Christmas gifts, and Casey did all of it. I just didn't want to. I think that I felt this way even stronger. I was just like, I'm sick of it. I am tired. It takes the fun out of Christmas. It wasn't nice. That was nice of Casey too. He was just like, okay, I get it. Because before that, I was always the one that did most of the Christmas shopping. And so he took over and he got everyone way too much stuff. That's for sure. But I feel like Casey and I are both on the same page where we're just like, let's just keep it a little smaller. And even the kids are too. They're really not asking for much. So anyway, I'm just blabbering about Christmas because I'm tired. I'm excited for Christmas. I'm excited for the Christmas spirit and the Christmas feeling. What do you guys do for Christmas? Do you do like a smaller Christmas? Do you do Santa? Does Santa only bring a certain amount of things? Is it things like they need? What do you guys do? How do you keep the balance of just the Christmas spirit and giving gifts? Because giving gifts is fun. I do enjoy it. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.